Are you looking to understand what really captivates younger women? Today, we're diving into a topic that's both intriguing and essential: the most important social skills that can make younger women find you utterly irresistible. It's not about trying to be someone you're not or playing mind games. Instead, it's about enhancing those genuine qualities you already possess. We'll uncover the social finesse that speaks directly to a younger woman's desires, making you an unforgettable presence in her life. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid grasp of how to present your most attractive self, ensuring you're not just noticed, but truly desired. Ready to master the art of appeal? Let's delve in. Make sure you stick around for our bonus tip at the end of the video, which seamlessly connects all the points we've discussed. It's a pivotal piece of advice for deepening your insight and refining your interactions. Don't miss it. 1. Confidence and maturity. When we talk about what draws younger women to older men, confidence and maturity are front and center. It's not just about age, it's about the experiences that come with it. Older men have been through more, seen more, and most importantly, learned more. This wealth of experience instills a sense of confidence that's not easily shaken. They walk into a room, and without saying a word, their presence commands attention. It's the kind of confidence that says, "I've got this, regardless of what this is." Then there's maturity, the silent force that shapes how older men approach life's hurdles. They face challenges, weathered storms, and come out the other side with a level-headedness that's incredibly appealing. This isn't about never having fun or being serious all the time. Instead, it's about knowing when to be which. It's the ability to laugh off the small stuff, make wise decisions in tough situations, and offer a shoulder that's not just there, but genuinely supportive. For younger women, this combination of confidence and maturity can be a breath of fresh air. It's not about finding someone to take care of them, but about being with someone who knows who they are and what they want out of life. It's the security of being with someone who doesn't just face life's challenges, but embraces them, turning each one into an opportunity to grow. And let's be honest, there's something undeniably attractive about someone who can navigate the ups and downs of life with grace and a bit of swagger. 2. Financial stability and life establishment. An older man with a stable career, a home of his own, and perhaps a readiness for family life, presents a picture of security and stability that's hard to resist. This isn't about gold digging or materialism. It's about the desire for a life that feels settled and secure. Having a career isn't just a job, it's an illustration of dedication and hard work. It speaks volumes about a person's ability to commit and persevere. A home, on the other hand, is more than just a place to live. It's a personal sanctuary, a space that reflects one's tastes, values, and lifestyle. It's about having a piece of the world that is truly yours, which can be a comforting thought. For younger women, this stability is not just appealing, it's aspirational. It represents a future that is not only secure, but also structured, with less uncertainty and more predictability. In a world where everything is in constant flux, the appeal of a stable life cannot be overstated. The readiness for family life adds another layer to this appeal. It's not about rushing into parenthood, but about the willingness and ability to start a family if and when the time feels right. It suggests a level of emotional maturity and commitment that can be deeply reassuring. The appeal of financial stability and life establishment goes beyond the superficial. It taps into a deep-seated desire for security, continuity, and the promise of a future that holds fewer unknowns and more certainties. 3. Emotional intelligence and communication. One of the standout qualities that older men bring to the table is their emotional intelligence and adept communication skills. This isn't just about being able to chat about the weather or the latest sports scores. It's about the depth and breadth of conversations, the ability to listen actively, and the capacity to express thoughts and feelings in a clear and meaningful way. Emotional intelligence is like the secret sauce in relationships. It allows a person to understand not only their own emotions, but also those of the people around them. For younger women, being with someone who gets this can be incredibly refreshing and reassuring. It means being heard, truly heard, and having their feelings acknowledged and valued. Then there's the art of communication. It's one thing to listen, it's another to understand and respond in a way that adds depth to a conversation. Older men often have a knack for this. They know how to keep the dialogue flowing, how to ask the right questions, and how to share their own experiences in a way that's relevant and engaging. This combination of emotional intelligence and communication prowess can lead to relationships that are not just fun and exciting, but also deeply satisfying and fulfilling. It's about connecting on a level that goes beyond the superficial, where conversations can be both lighthearted and profound. What makes older men stand out in the realm of emotional intelligence and communication is their ability to navigate the complex waters of human emotions with grace and empathy. It's about creating a space where meaningful connections can flourish, where both parties feel understood, appreciated, and, most importantly, connected. I hope you're finding value in the video so far. If so, could you take a moment to support the channel? A quick thumbs up, dropping a comment, or hitting that subscribe button really goes a long way. 4. Style and personal care. The way older men approach style and personal care significantly contributes to their attractiveness. It's not just about throwing on the latest trends, it's about understanding what works for them and owning it. This refined sense of style comes from years of experimenting with what fits their personality and body type, leading to a wardrobe that's both timeless and tailored. Good grooming habits are part of this package, reflecting a level of self-respect and attention to detail that doesn't go unnoticed. Whether it's a well-maintained beard, a fresh haircut, or just being clean-shaven, these small acts of grooming speak volumes about a man's regard for his appearance. Physical fitness is another key aspect. Staying in shape isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good and maintaining health. Older men who prioritize their fitness showcase a commitment to their well-being, which can be an attractive quality. It shows they're interested in keeping up with the energy and vibrancy of life, regardless of age. This combination of style, grooming, and fitness isn't about vanity. It's a testament to a man's journey towards self-improvement and his respect for himself and those around him. It's this blend of confidence, self-care, and the wisdom to know what works best for them that makes older men stand out in the realm of personal style and care. 5. Traditional values and chivalry. In the world of relationships, the allure of traditional values and chivalrous behavior holds a special charm, particularly for younger women drawn to older men. This attraction isn't just about opening doors or pulling out chairs. It's about the underlying respect and attentiveness these actions signify. Older men often embody these values, showcasing politeness, respectfulness, and acts of kindness in their everyday interactions. This reverence for traditional values extends beyond mere gestures. It's about being courteous in conversation, showing genuine interest in others' well-being, and maintaining a level of decorum that seems to be fading in today's fast-paced world. These behaviors signal a depth of character and a respect for social graces that can be deeply appealing. Chivalry, in this context, is more than just old-school manners. It's a way of treating others, especially women, with a high degree of respect and esteem. It's about making someone feel valued and respected through thoughtful actions and considerate behavior. This form of chivalry doesn't imply that women are in any way less capable or in need of saving, but is rather a sign of the man's character and upbringing. For younger women, these traits can be especially attractive, offering a sense of security and a glimpse into a more thoughtful and respectful way of interacting. It harkens back to a time when relationships were built on a foundation of mutual respect and admiration, qualities that are timeless in their appeal. The attraction to traditional values and chivalry reflects a longing for deeper, more meaningful connections, where respect and kindness are paramount. It's about finding someone who not only holds the door open, but also holds space for understanding, compassion, and genuine connection. 6. Providing a sense of security. The sense of security that older men can offer is a significant draw for younger women, encompassing both emotional and physical aspects. This isn't about financial stability alone, but extends to the comforting presence of someone who's protective, supportive, and represents a stable force within the relationship. Older men, with their life experiences, often exude a sense of safety that comes from knowing how to handle various situations life throws their way. Being protective doesn't mean being overbearing or controlling. Rather, it's about ensuring the well-being of the partner, showing concern and being there when needed. It's the reassurance that comes from having a partner who's got your back. Supportiveness ties into this, as it's about more than just offering a shoulder to lean on. It's about being an encourager, a cheerleader for dreams and aspirations, and a confidant for fears and doubts. Stability, in this context, is the cornerstone of the sense of security older men can provide. It's not just about being unflappable in the face of challenges, but also about being a consistent, reliable presence. This stability can make a world of difference in a relationship, offering a foundation that allows for growth, exploration, and peace of mind. The attractiveness of older men in the eyes of younger women is often rooted in the deep-seated need for a sense of security. It's about the comfort found in the protective, supportive, and stable nature of a partner who has navigated the complexities of life and emerged with the wisdom and strength to be a pillar of support. Bonus tip: genuineness and authentic connections. This gem goes beyond mere age compatibility, spotlighting the importance of real, heartfelt interactions. Imagine a relationship where masks are shed, revealing the unadorned self, fostering a bond that's both rare and real. In this realm, it's not about aligning on every hobby or interest, but about a deeper harmony of core values and mutual respect. This genuine connection is like a beacon, guiding the relationship through life's ebbs and flows. It's about those moments of unspoken understanding, shared laughter over inside jokes, and the comforting silence that speaks volumes. This authenticity is the secret ingredient that can transform a good relationship into a great one. It's about being fully present, actively listening, and engaging with empathy and interest. Such connections are built on a foundation of trust, where both individuals feel safe to open up, share vulnerabilities, and support each other unconditionally. While the initial draw might be sparked by various attributes, the enduring glue of any relationship is the authenticity and genuine connection shared between two people. It's these profound bonds that transcend superficial differences, including age, creating a relationship that's not only enduring but also enriching. Now that you know those important social skills, what's next for you? Discover the signs she thinks you're good looking, or learn how to tell if she's waiting for you to make a move. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.